Welcome back to YouTube. It's your boy Joseph here with Washpreneurs. As you can see behind me, we have another pressure washing job again today. And I'm going to take you guys back. Today we're going to be doing the driveway right here. So we're really just going to do this back wall of the home and the front driveway. Because the quote was not in her budget, we are going to do this by sections. Alright, so we got this back wall to tackle and then the front driveway. Stay tuned, like, subscribe. We're going to be downstreaming today. We're going to be downstreaming our chemical, and I'm going to show you guys how to downstream onto the driveways with SH, pre-treat and post-treat, and then rinse off and get it nice and clean for the customer, okay? So like, subscribe. We're past 1K. I appreciate everybody, so stay tuned. All right, so now we're pre-soaking all the plants since we're applying SH, and we don't want to kill any of these plants, so we're gonna get a good, nice rinse on these plants and then apply some SH. All right, guys, so here, I'm just pre-soaking all these plants that you see here. Anything that obviously we don't want to do damage to, because we're gonna be downstreaming, like I said. So we got our SH here with our siphon tube, and we're just gonna downstream that right to the pressure washer, right out of our hose. Our wand, and then let that dwell for a little bit. And you see when we have some mold here, some algae growing down here, some organic growth, and that SH will kill all of that, right? So stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply the SH straight from the downstream injector with the siphon tool. Pulls right from the SH. We have 10% SH here, so as you downstream it, it turns into about a 1%. Which is actually very good for this type of job. All right, we sprayed that chemical on. Now we're just gonna let it all dwell and then come back and rinse about 10 minutes. All right, so now we're on to the front. I pre-treated this with the SH, like I said, downstream it, let it sit. Pre-soaked first, obviously pre-soaked, downstream, let it sit, surface clean. Right here, I'm pre-soaking the driveway. Now I'm applying the SH again. Once again, downstream through the chemical injector from your pressure washer. Then let it dwell for about 15-20 minutes. Then take over with the surface cleaner. And look at the difference on that driveway, guys. Beautiful. So I want to talk about how I got this job real quick. She actually called my phone and said that someone referred me, that I do great work, professional work, great service. So she called my phone. She said she wanted to get some services done, and the next day I was at her house for a quote. Originally, she wanted the house, the fence, the driveway, the sidewalk, and the gutters, which came out to about $1,000, a little over $1,000. And, unfortunately, it wasn't in her budget, but she still happened to go with the driveway cleaning and just the back wall of the house. Remember, guys, that back wall looked very crazy. It had a lot of algae and mold and organic growth. So we took care of that for her. We threw in the gutters for free, as you already know. And, we tackled this job quick and easy, in and out. And she's going to call us back when she has the money for the rest of the services, for the fence and the house and the gutters and all that kind of stuff. So that is a client that will be calling us back for sure, But main thing I want to stress is the recommendations and the referrals. If you guys do good work, good customer service, they will refer you, Look at how that sidewalk's coming out. I'm not going to leave those tiger stripes like that on the floor. We're going to post treat with the SH and make sure those come out. you know. So if you guys do great work and do it as if it was your home, you will get referrals and you will get calls back, or even a Google review. You know, she left me a great Google review. So we're wrapped up. It took us about 3 hours, but that's because I threw in a gutter cleaning. I threw in the gutter cleaning for free so she can see how it would look with the gutters being clean and everything. So as you see the driveway, we post and pre-treated this so that those tiger stripes don't come back up 6 to 8 months, you know. So we're gonna take a look at the back and show you guys the power of SH and downstreaming. And I did use the pump sprayer to get a little bit more percentage of that SH because this driveway was dirty. Okay, so let's take a look at the back. So I mean, take a look at these gutters. She says she's gonna call us back for the gutters, but just come look at the test spot like this. I mean, look at the difference in those gutters. Super white, super white. So I gave her a little test spot so she can see, you know, the difference. And then she says she's gonna call us back to do it. And we got the fence, but take a look at this here. I don't know if you guys remember. Rewind the video and take a look at how that looked. And look at it now. It is fabulous. All right, guys. So we're wrapped up for the video. As you can see, the differences and all that thing and all those things. So she says she's gonna be calling us back to do this. It's just not in her budget right now, which we did do a little bit of gutter cleaning for free for her. So take a look at this driveway. It just looks amazing. Like, subscribe if you got any knowledge out of this. Remember, downstream. I love it. SH will be your best friend. ZEP is a good chemical. Check out the video right here to look at when I use ZEP and look at the difference between ZEP and SH, okay? Like, subscribe, we out.